deep waved with my crimper. Y'all, I got to go. All right.
Baby, I don't wanna stress no more. I don't really wanna test no more. It's a problem. I ain't thinking about the worst no more. And we really shouldn't curse no more. Cause it sparks that flame. We just gotta ignite.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair edition. Get ready with me. I decided to take my Ali Julia Malaysian curly unit, which is this, and actually put heat on it, like the entire, because usually what I have done is tested out a small part of my curly textures, but I've never really just curled it entirely because first of all, it takes some time, okay? And second of all, like normally when I buy curly hair, I just let it rock curly. But anyways, I wanted to see how it would curl with my crimper that I have. I used this once before and it didn't really, I didn't like how the hair came out. But yeah, I wanted to give it a second try and I actually really freaking like it. Okay, I like the look of it. I like how it's fluffy and everything like that. My only problem is that if you guys can tell, I'm really picky, maybe you guys will be able to tell too, but this side has definitely failed. By the time I finished this side, this one was already kind of falling a little bit, and I put hairspray in the hair, but even when it falls, it's still definitely a look. I would rock either side. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can really tell. I may just be really picky right now, but yeah, the hair is really freaking soft. I would say when using a crimper, use small sections, and I use this oil treatment, one and only argan oil. This was so necessary. Another thing that was really necessary was taking your flat iron and straightening the ends of the hair, just because it was looking a little bit too frizzy without doing so. So I definitely had to make sure I did that. That's all I have to say. Let's just get into this clip. Let me know what you guys think of this hair deep waved with my crimper. Y'all, I got to go. All right, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.